Okay, so here's the page, right? Here's the application here. It's the listing page, as you can see here. So I've got three fun actions: edit, delete, and view, and add user. So if you want to add a user, add user. So you insert a name, for example, David. I would say David Gwyn. Choose file, photo file.
Is it working?
Yeah, it's just as lagging.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Something seems to be prompting.
Oh yeah, it is. And then you take an image, show it there. Okay. Send an email, davegwyn at gmail.com. Set a password, mobile number, and then date of birth. Save. It's just processing the whole. It's just processing.
Cool.
It's just processing it now.
Wonder why your thing's echoing. It's weird.
The volumes. I think the volume is a bit high. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to lower it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. As you can see here, another one was added. Another user was added. Dave Gwyn. Dave Gwyn at gmail.com. 123070324. Obviously, you got different. Pretty much got different options. You can view it. It's just lagging, it's loading. Trying to view, you can view the back button, the edit button, update user, and you also got the delete button. That means you can delete this as well.
Cool.
Yeah, I'll show it to you now. I usually want delete, confirm. Press confirm button, it will erase everything. So confirm, then it's deleted. Yeah.
Nice. Cool. Can you show me how the button works in the code?
Which I'll show you now.
Cool.
Okay. Just loading now. Okay, so loading my
Okay.
app. Okay, and then I'll go to my URLs, my views. So so via my URLs module. So what you got here is you got different paths that you can pretty much visit via the URLs. So you got a path this. Okay, sorry there. So this empty piece here shows that there's no fixated URL or fixated path that the web browser can visit. That's why it's empty.
Mm.
That's what should. So this is the viewer's user list.
Mm-hmm.
Then for the path for add, what it does is it goes to viewers.py, imports the path from there, and it adds it to the URL patterns. So you got your add button, the button that you can see here in your web browser. The button that you can see
Yeah.
here,
Yes. I saw
add
it. Yeah.
user, you got it here. Then for your
Mm-hmm.
edit button, same story. From your views.py, you take edit and you make it a part of your path for your URL patterns, as you can see here in the web browser.
Okay. I see. Yeah.
Then,
Okay. Cool.
yeah,
Yeah. So, can you show me the add button? Exactly what function are you bringing in from line 8?
okay. I'm going there now. Scroll back, type it add. Okay, add. Right. Go to views. So here I'm adding a function here. We're adding an add user function. That's what we're adding. So it's a
Uh,
method that we're adding here.
yeah,
So
that's fine. So you've shown me, okay, cool, how a URL is handled while printing a function. You can end your recording.
I can end my recording.
Yeah, so just send me, upload it